Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print Shopify orders directly from your admin dashboard. This is super useful if you want to include printed order slips in packages, keep physical records, or share order details with your fulfillment team. It only takes a few quick steps, so let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and open your admin panel. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Orders. This is where you'll see a list of all your customer orders. Next, find the specific order you want to print and click on it to open the order details page. Here you'll see everything related to that order: customer info, shipping address, payment status, and products purchased. Once you're on the order page, look for the button labeled More Actions in the top right corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Print Order Page. Shopify will then open a new printable layout of that order. All you need to do is click the print button on your screen, select your printer, and confirm. And that's it! Your order details are now printed. You can include it inside the customer's package, file it for your own records, or hand it off to whoever handles shipping and fulfillment for your store. It's a simple but really handy feature that keeps your operations organized and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment below if there's another feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.